Eye on all the top stories across the country that you want and need to know about. We are going to depart Austin, Texas live to let you know this latest here this morning on News Now from Fox. We're going to head on over to the state of Minnesota. As you can see here, flags have been ordered at half staff for the victims of the tragic shooting at a clinic, a health clinic in Buffalo. Governor Tim Walz ordered the flags to fly at half staff through Sunday. And we continue to follow the latest on the deadly shooting at the clinic in Buffalo, Minnesota. 5 people were shot in Tuesday's rampage, leaving 1 person dead and 1 still in critical condition. We're learning more about the woman killed in that shooting. Here's the latest from our sister station, Fox 9 Minneapolis.
2 of the 3 patients that are here at North Memorial are improving. 1 is in fair condition, the other good, while 1 remains in critical. Now, while all the families have asked for privacy, we did talk to the friend of the woman who passed away, who wants her friend remembered as a loving mother and a great medical professional.
I just don't understand it. I don't understand what this person was. I don't understand. She just went to work.
Heartbreak and anguish from those who loved her. Lindsay Overbay, a mother, a wife, a sister, now gone at the age of 37. A medical assistant at the Buffalo Clinic, her friend Naya Stubbe says she loved her job.
All she's ever wanted to do is help people. All she's ever done is take care of people, her family, her friends.
Stubbe says she found out about the shooting from another friend and texted Lindsay immediately.
So I texted Lindsay and I said, "Are you okay?" And she never responded, which is not like her because her and I speak almost every day. And she responds very quickly, you know.
By Tuesday evening, her worst fears were confirmed, and Stubbe was taking in Lindsay's 2 children for the night as family processed. A GoFundMe she started has raised more than $130,000 and growing.
Thank you for, all the donations, but if you can't donate, please, send prayers, send happy thoughts to their family, to their children, anything, Every little bit of it is going to help.
The family asking for privacy, but hoping Lindsay's memory never fades. On a Caring Bridge site set up by the family of a nurse who was injured in the shooting, they say their mom has been in and out of surgeries and that she's still in the ICU, but they are hoping that she gets moved to a regular hospital room tomorrow. Reporting in Robbinsdale, Courtney Godfrey, Fox 9.
Courtney, thank you so much for that. Everybody, we have a live report now from Fox 9 Minneapolis. Is Bill Keller joining us there. Good morning, Bill. How are you doing? And we're hearing the suspect is supposed to be making his first court appearance today. Is that true?
Yeah, in fact, we'll learn much more about those details of the shooting and that criminal complaint. But we are getting a lot of information, some background about a possible motive for Tuesday's shooting rampage, including previous threats against that clinic. Here's what we've learned. The gunman's brother actually says that Greg Ulrich had actually been prescribed opioids for a back injury. Now, this is back in 2018, but we're told he became outraged when doctors wouldn't give him any more. Prosecutors planning to charge him with 1 count of premeditated murder and other counts of attempted murder for those who were injured. Here's what else we do know, though. Court documents show that he actually had repeated threats against the staff at that clinic. He was even banned from the building. According to a police report from that time in 2018, doctors actually called the police to say that he had been calling them numerous times and actually making violent threats about performing a mass shooting and even setting off explosives, something that became a reality earlier this week.
Oh, Bill, so disturbing and sad because we always say all the time, are there warning signs? Do we know when something bad like this is going to happen? And unfortunately, there were signs, but the case was dropped from 2018, I believe, or restraining orders were because he was found mentally incompetent, right?
Yeah, he violated those restraining orders several times. In fact, we reached out to the medical group, the local police here, and the county sheriff to see what measures may have been taken to try and protect those workers after those threats were made. They have not responded. Now, they are planning a briefing to update the media later today. We also learned, though, that in 2019, he tried to get a gun. He applied for a permit, but court documents reveal that it was highly recommended that he not be allowed to purchase a weapon.
All right, Fox 9 Minneapolis is Bill Keller live in Buffalo, Minnesota this morning. Thank you so much for joining us again here on News Now from Fox.
You're welcome.
We are back out live.